Hot Mic with Ray White. What is your vision for Salem? Or what is your hope for your business to impact this community?
Shoot, that's a good question.
Ooh, that's a tough question.
I ask big questions. I'm sorry.
All I know is for me personally, what I would love to be able to contribute to Salem, I want to be able to get to a point where I'm a philanthropist and I can be able to contribute to the causes. Because there's so many in this city, right? But you look at all of them, it's like, all right, I can't do every single one, but you find the ones you're passionate about, and those are the ones you give into. So I want to be able to be at a point in my life to where if I see something that's important, see something that can make a difference, I can write a check and help that organization. Because a lot of these organizations, they're just nonprofits, so they have to run from donor dollars, right? So I want to be able to be that person who can be able to invest into those organizations, help them run, and help them go out and contribute to the city.
The value of being a single person who's trying to develop a business for our community so that each of us can enjoy, not one of us, but each of us and all of us. Introducing new food to people is sometimes a very hard and difficult thing, but we seem to get through it. And with Taste and See, I just have to get it in your mouth for you to taste it. That's all.
That's all.
My hope for Salem is a shared awareness of the realities of all of our communities. Well, I didn't know that was a problem. Oh, I didn't know that happened, or that doesn't happen here. Yeah. That doesn't happen in this community. We're different. That is an annoying, frustrating answer, because just because we don't see it doesn't mean it doesn't exist. Just because it's not our reality doesn't mean it's not somebody else's reality. And I think from our training today, he talked a lot about that, about what that looks like, of like when we are blind to things because we're focused on something else. And so it's easy to miss the things that are happening in our backyard. So that's my hope, is that that dissipates, that there's that assumption that things don't happen here because they don't see it.
As far as like newer businesses, you see a lot of more professional services popping up, serving the community, whether that is in accounting or financial advising, owning a carpet cleaning business, right? Plumbing, roofing, a lot of real estate brokers. I mean, there's just a lot to service the city of Salem.
Many different people talk a lot, but don't listen to each other very well. I would love to see people better at listening to what each other is saying and not just kind of how they feel or whatever their friends are saying on Facebook or whatever. Appreciate you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.